Millions of us use cloud technology every day, from Google searches to tweeting, but global commercial firms have taken a little longer to truly embrace the possibilities of software as a service. So does a move to the cloud automatically provide value, and will companies who hesitate be left behind? To discuss this, we're joined in the studio by Neil Davidson, Vice President of Enterprise with Deltek. I'm Angela Korp. Welcome to the Business Debate. Neil, welcome to the London Stock Exchange studios.
It's a pleasure to be here.
So Neil, why has it taken businesses so long to adopt the sort of cloud-based technologies that we use every day in our personal lives?
I think billion-dollar businesses will always have a low tolerance for a failed transition, but we see transition accelerating for three key reasons. I think first of all, market forces. The clients of global professional services firms are demanding to see their projects delivered at a lower risk, a higher quality, and a fiercely aggressive cost profile. So they're demanding the digital innovation from these companies. I think secondly, with millennials, there's more millennials in global professional services firms, and they simply don't want to use business technology that was designed in the Bronze Age. And I think finally, you see emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and robotics, and it's going to be very difficult for companies to consume those technologies in an existing data center on archaic technology.
So what are the drivers pushing companies to cross the chasm into the cloud?
I think the key drivers are, you see firms really trying to differentiate in the marketplace. So they have constant challenges around integrating acquisitions, optimizing their operating margin, and trying to make sure they've got the best return on capital employed. I think crossing the chasm is a difficult task, and it takes real specialism. So I think when companies are looking for a partner, one thing they should bear in mind is you wouldn't ask a general practitioner to do open heart surgery. So finding a specialist who's actually got deep experience of your industry sector is going to enable you to undertake the transition at a lower risk and a higher velocity, and the speed of change is really, really important.
So for global firms looking to make that transformation to cloud-based technology, what are the key things they should be looking at?
I think the key things are, first of all, a really simple business case that everyone in the company can understand. So simple metrics like a 1% improvement in utilization or a few extra days of working capital, that can generate millions of dollars of saving to the bottom line. I think a second key component is really making sure that you bring the people within the business with you. So a lot of people are concerned that their job might be replaced by computers and automation. What they should be more concerned about is that a more digitally innovative company will actually come in, innovate faster, and steal your clients, and ultimately that's where your job would be at risk. So really embracing the change and the opportunity that digital provides.
Many businesses have reservations about the costs and of course the security. What's the return on investment, and is it safe?
I think the return on investment's compelling. Our research shows that deploying business technology in the cloud will deliver twice the return on investment as a typical legacy on-premise deployment. So I think that's a really important component, and it's a compelling business case. I think the second thing is, this is secure. Companies like ourselves have millions of clients in the cloud, and we're able to make investments in security to really make sure it's low risk and a win-win situation.
So what can cloud enable for the future of professional services firms?
I think a cloud transformation enables a new kind of agility, a better experience for customers and for the workforce. I think secondly, cloud will enable you to win the war for talent, to optimize the business and really deliver for your clients for many years to come. Cloud shouldn't be seen as an end state, but a new place on which to embark on a bright new digital future.
Neil Davidson, thank you very much for joining us.
It's a pleasure.
And join us next time on the Business Debate, when we'll be discussing executive education and artificial intelligence. Until then, goodbye.